Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to create free AI images using the best free AI image generator out there. So, let's get started. To begin, open up Koala Writer on your Google Chrome, just by clicking the link in the description below. Click the Register button in the menu to create an account. You can also register instantly by using your Google account. Just click the Continue to Google button. Since I already have an account, I will proceed to log in. Now, head over to the left column and click on Koala Chat. This is where the magic happens. To generate your own AI images, you'll need to follow a specific format. Start by typing the dash symbol and the word dream, space, and then enclose the keywords or text for the AI image in the less than and greater than symbols. Let me show you an example. Let's say we want an AI image of a volcanic eruption in snow. We would type dash dream, space, less than symbol, a volcanic eruption in snow, greater than symbol, and then press enter. The generator will start working its magic. Take a look at the details of this AI image. The quality is pretty impressive, isn't it? You can see all the intricate details of the volcanic eruption in the snow. Let's try another one. Let's type dash dream space less than symbol cat walking like a person greater than symbol and then press enter. I don't think the keywords for this one are giving us the best results. But that's the beauty of Koala Writer. You can experiment with different keywords until you find the perfect combination for your AI image. And there you have it. Another stunning AI image, all thanks to Koala Writer and its powerful AI image generator. And that concludes today's tutorial on how to create free AI images using Koala Writer. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.